morning students, myself Dr. T. Susan Ramaprama, Associate Professor EC Department. Today we are going to discuss about IMS concept, IMS. So the content is the what is IMS, basic principles, IMS building blocks, IMS architecture, why all the excitement, who need IMS and problems and conclusion. So IMS means nothing but IP multimedia system. What is IMS? IMS means nothing but I already told that IP multimedia subsystem is an architecture. It is not a protocol. Open system architecture that supports a range of IP based services over both private and carrier networks, employing both wireless and fixed access technologies. IMS is defined by 3GPP and basic principles: access independencies, different network architectures, and terminal and user mobility, extensive IP based services. And IMS building blocks: and all IP core networks and all IP radius access networks, multimedia call control based and SIP, quality of service support for IP. IMS architecture. So we have three layers: application layers, control layer, and connectivity and access layers. So connectivity and access layer will connected to the mobile nodes, terminals. It will be connected to the control layers. In control layer we have the two protocols SIP and IP, and that will be connected with the application layers. Here we have the SIP, OSA, and CAML. IMS architectures. So applications and services, operators 1, operator 2, GGSN, mobile terminals. Here we have the HSS means home subscribers server, CSCF means calls session control function, CSCF means surveying CSCF, ICSCF means integrating CSCF, PCSCF means proxy CSCF, BGCF means breakout gateway control function, MGCF means media gateway control function, AS means application server, SCP means service control point, MGW means media gateway, MRFC means multimedia resource function control, MRFP means multimedia resource function process. And vertical versus horizontal architecture. This is the architecture difference between vertical and horizontal in the IMS. Why all the excitements? Imagine starting a voice call on your home phone and transferring it seamlessly to your mobile as you drive to work. Imagine sending a multimedia messages from your car that later appears on your TV screen. Imagine watching a mobile on that same TV, pausing it mind snow, and then watching it the wireless PDA as you relax in the garden. Imagine having a cell phone conversation with 2 or 3 friends and simultaneously sharing a video on the football match you are attending. Imagine that all the above can done with a single account on a single login with a multiple devices over any number of access networks. Thus are only a few examples of seamless multimedia services that IMS will allow users to access anywhere anytime. Who need IMS? IMS is fixed network users want multimedia conferencing, voice over IP streaming services, and mobile network users want push to X location based service, mobile gaming. Who need IMS? Network providers wants fixed mobile coverage, one service, one implementation for all access point, new business model. And this is the everyday scenario. Mobile phone calls will to Vincent to Daniel. Mobile phone in a taxi from the airport, walking in the office. Mobile phone call connected. Activate video mode. View images on his phone. And this will be PDF list of selected projects or group, initially PTT sessions, join PTT sessions. 3 members will be connected to Vincent phone call. Now the scenario is Vincent will connected to laptop and the Daniel will connected to phone call, and Jerry is connected with the office PC, and Jacqueline is connected with the fixed line phones. join in the video conferencing. Participates in the video conference. Problems and open issues. In the IMS we have the architecture complexity because we have connected different types of architecture at the same time. Governance of quality of service, IETF and 3GPP standardization cooperation, SIP and IMS architecture are not measured enough to guarantee fully functional network terminal complexity.